Hello guys, I'm John from the Pacific Northwest out of the Tacoma, Seattle area. And about 2 months ago, I came across the Garage Door Training School on YouTube. And got really interested in the business because I've been in construction for about 16 years doing back-breaking work, working off skyscrapers and things of that nature. So I dove deep into it, and then I took the Garage Door Training School course, which I got the certificate of completion right here. And I've been probably had this certificate, I think maybe about a month and a half or so. My first job, I made $600 in less than an hour, and it was my first time working on a garage door. So I'm just barely getting my feet into it, and I would highly recommend his course to anyone trying to get into running their own business. Is really the only way to go today to be successful. It's a great course. He's ongoing with you. He'll answer your phone calls and answer any questions, and also put you in touch with the right people to get the parts that you need to get your business up and going. Thank you to John, and like I said, I highly recommend him for anyone trying to get into this trade.
Let me teach you. You guys will be making great money. We're going to teach you how to not only do garage doors the right and simple way, I'm going to also teach you how to market yourself, how to get jobs, how to talk to the customers, how to do everything. I'll teach you the way you're going to get it. You're not going to waste your time and try to do things hard. There's no reason you guys can't go into this business charging exactly what I'm charging. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.